We have breaking news to share with you now out of Wisconsin in the case against defendant Taylor Schabusiness. She's the infamous inmate who's known for her violent attacks. Some of them we've seen in the courtroom. She is a convicted killer, and she was set to be in court today for a motions hearing over a case where she allegedly attacked a prison guard and a prison nurse. And the motions hearing was going to be regarding whether she would be shackled during the upcoming trial. But in somewhat of a surprise move, we're getting word that this case has just been disposed of. That's right, Taylor Schabusiness has pleaded no contest, and there's been an amendment to the charges. It's been amended to disorderly conduct, so she pleaded no contest to disorderly conduct. The judge accepted that plea, and her sentencing is set for a month from now. It's set for, a little over a month. I'm getting word it's been set for December the 1st. Now, we are waiting to bring you the video footage from this hearing. So we have it filmed. We're standing by for this to come in into our system. Then we're going to play it for you. It was a pretty quick hearing, but we understand December the 1st will be the date that the sentence is imposed, as she's pleaded no contest to disorderly conduct. All right, no trial for Ms. Schabusiness. Wow, let's bring in our legal analyst guest to get his reaction. Retired district attorney and practicing criminal defense attorney in the private sector, Matt Mangino, with us. Matt, what do you think? We thought this was going to be a battle over the shackles, and we got a little bit of a plea here, a no contest plea, but a plea nonetheless. Your thoughts?
Well, yes, I mean, I can see a plea in this situation. She has life without parole. She's a very dangerous person. We saw her act out in court. We now know that she's acting out in prison, and this is going to continue. And this is one of the questions, Julie, about the death penalty. What do you do with an individual who is just going to, for the rest of their life, well incarcerated, attack people, do harmful things to people? She committed a very heinous crime to begin with. Where does this end? And she has life without parole, but she's going to continue to act out throughout her time while she's in prison.
Yes, that's a great point, Matt, because we hear the expression that someone is a menace to society, and this woman definitely was while she was out walking free in society. Now she's a menace in the prison system. She really is. She's a problem. She's a danger to the guards, fellow inmates, her lawyers when they encounter her. She's a problem. And you're right, this is not a state that has the death penalty. Wisconsin doesn't have it. It wasn't on the table. As you noted, she's locked up for life. But, a danger in lockup. I mean, she really is. And so I guess in the grand scheme of things, these charges wouldn't have changed anything for her situation. So perhaps everyone thought this is just better to dispose of this case, get her back in a place where we can continue to monitor her and not keep transporting her to court to fight this. So here we have it set for December the 1st, and we're going to work to get this video in so you can see her in this court appearance, again, about 10 to 15 minute appearance. Matt Mangino, thank you for weighing in on that. No trial coming up for Taylor Schabusiness. That is the big news this morning. Wow.